Hi guys, so today I'm installing lock extensions on somebody else, and I thought I would show you the hair I'm using. It's for Macon Styles, and it's a 6-inch hair. My client bought the hair himself, and yeah, let me show you what it looks like. This is the small for Macon Styles, and it's 6 inches, but my client has 50 pieces because he has an undercut. This is my needle, and yeah, it's a double crochet needle, so you work a bit faster than when you're using like a single one. So guys, I finished with the lock extensions and he went for a shape up. So this is the end result. As you can see, he has 50 locks in total, and yeah, this is the Macon Styles hair, and he's very happy. This is my first lock. It's not like I see people doing locks and the roots will be very tight, like, and you see the skin, but I don't like that look. I prefer this look whereby the roots are a bit loose and it just looks a bit more relaxed, like not too much tension is being placed on the roots. I just prefer this look. I practice, I can probably do this in 3 hours. So yeah, this was the lock extensions I did, and I'm super happy with the results.